Yeah, Evan, that's right. This is Timber Creek Elementary by Southeast 34th and Moore, and you can see right here, this is one of the problem areas from this morning when it comes to flooding. That water goes right up to the roadway right there. Now, out east of the metro, these floodwaters turned deadly when drivers didn't turn around.
In Pottawatomie County, one person dead after a vehicle was swept off the road near State Highways 102 and 59B. The sheriff's office there says a person was driving across the water and was washed off the road. We're told the man drove around barriers that were up due to flooding. By the time Swiftwater rescue teams got there, he was already dead. And in Lincoln County, another person confirmed dead from floodwaters. This was the scene Wednesday afternoon near South 3513 Road and East 1020 Road, northwest of Prague. While details are limited for now, you could clearly see a vehicle was swept away by a flooded creek that went over the dirt road. The morning hours were rough for those down in Cleveland County, specifically in Lexington. Several homes were underwater across the city, and local firefighters were using boats to rescue anyone who couldn't get out. In Logan County, Sky 5 flew over flooded areas Wednesday, and tonight, the County Emergency Management Office posted a bulletin asking for anyone who has had damage there to report it. We have that link for you in the As Seen On section of KOCO.com.
Now on Thursday, it's possible we could see up to an inch of rain here in the metro area, and with creeks and canals already looking like this, guys, it's very possible that flooding could be a risk again. In more tonight, Jason Berger, KOCO 5 News.